Hey Tiffany, what's up?
Are you in Jamaica?
No, I'm away. Matter of fact, I'm at the airport.
I really need to talk to you.
Is everything alright?
No, it's not.
What happened?
I can't talk about it over the phone. I think I'm losing my mind, Uncle. I really need it right now. Can you come see me as soon as you come back to Jamaica?
Well, okay. Well, I'll leave for the next flight out. Tiffany, what's going on? You need me to send somebody? You need money? What's going on?
No, I'll be okay until you come and see me. No worries. I just as soon as you get here, just come and look for me.
Alright, as I reach, I'll come see you.
Yeah. How's that doing?
Ah, Marcus not doing so well. They're giving him all the medication they can, and they have him under observation. But we'll see what happens.
Just, this is all too much for me, Uncle. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can do this. Just say hi to him if you can.
Alright. Hang in there, baby girl. I soon come.
Alright, Uncle.
Alright.
So I guess it's goodbye.